Are you thinking about making a move to Roseburg? Well, I am going to take you through a house today that is absolutely amazing. So here we are. We're in Hucrest neighborhood in Roseburg, and it is quiet. I mean, it is just amazing. You can see all the houses behind me. Super nice. The average prices here in Hucrest range between 400 to 700,000. So this house is in the 500 range, and it is amazing. So if you can see right behind me, that's it. So we're going to take you through this house, and you got to see what this place has got to offer. So here we go. And you can see, so we are on a dead-end street right through here. Kind of tees off right there. And kind of right through here. Plenty of room for an RV. Plenty of parking. 2-car garage. This house is 1,800 square feet, over 1,800 square feet. It is just remarkable. All right, as you walk in, you are going to see this great woodwork on these banisters that go all the way upstairs. Super cool. New floors, high-end floors. And we are in the living room, so cool little gas fireplace. I mean, that thing is awesome. Check it out. Super cool living area. I mean, you've got plenty of room. This couch is huge. So we're just take a look. I mean, so you've got plenty of room to entertain. You've got, I mean, this couch is huge. Sit here, watch your football game. You got dining room table, dining room area, and then that's going to take us into the kitchen. And I am going to show you that right now. Let's go. Look at these cool granite countertops. Nice cook stove. Little breakfast nook over there. So awesome kitchen. I mean, you got that breakfast nook right back there, right over here. And that island's going to be included. So you can sit, have your morning coffee, take a look at the great view. And I'm going to show you this view here in a minute. But take a look at this view right outside your dinner table. So now I'm going to take you out to the deck. All right, check this out. So sit out here, have your morning coffee. I mean, this view is amazing, and it's quiet. I mean, we're in the middle of the day. It's about 10:30, 11 o'clock in the middle of the day. It's quiet. You can see the hillsides over here. A couple trees are blocking your neighbors, so that's perfect. There's your backyard, and it goes down to that fence down there. All right, now we're gonna see the rest of the house. Come on. All right, so we're back into the entryway, and this is gonna take us upstairs. And then you got a little under the closet storage. This house has got tons of storage. This is the guest bathroom. So little half bath downstairs. You got your laundry room. A laundry closet down here. This will walk you out to the garage. Tons of storage out here. So shelves are built in. You can definitely get a couple cars in here. Plenty of storage. You got your gas hot water tank over here. And then this is a cool spot. More under the storage. Store your Christmas decoration in there, and there's a crawl space access back in there. So plenty of storage in here. Now I'm going to take you upstairs and show you the bedrooms. Try not to fall on those steps. So, all right, let's walk upstairs here. All this carpet is new. Trim is all new. Banister, that's all in great condition. Everything has been redone. So we got bedroom number 1. So that's a full-size bed. Nice little room for the kids. Then we're gonna back out. Same size room here. Then we got the main bathroom, full bath. Then we got a primary bedroom. So pretty good size here. That's got a really cool view out that window there. After a hard day, just sit in here in the bathtub, take it to your soak. I mean, come on. Just chill out, glass of wine, just relax. All right, let's check out the rest of this bathroom. Nice granite countertops, walk-in tub, soaking tub. Walk-in closet that you could probably sleep in. So that's the whole inside. Now let's just take you outside. If you're interested in this house or any house here in the Hucrest area or all of Roseburg or all of Douglas County, give me a call, text, email. All my contact info is in the description below and right over here. And with that, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.